This is a 2013 Acura TL. This car has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 3.7-liter V6, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, a sunroof, high-intensity headlights, an iPod-ready stereo system so you can take your music with you, XM satellite radio, a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, 18-inch alloy wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, 8-way power adjustable seats, cruise control, leather seats, 12-volt power outlets, front and rear floor mats, front multi-stage airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, a pass-through rear seat, and this vehicle has less than 14,000 miles. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking automobile.